Year 2026, month of May. In this video, I wanted to show how you can see the full list of COBOL reserved words for GNU-COBOL looking at GNU-COBOL source code in the editor of choice. So here I have Visual Studio Code. This is a little program I'm working on right now to demonstrate the keyword end and program when they're separated, source computer, object computer, that kind of thing. Here's just a list of words I've been writing about so far. There's not that many yet. And here, this file called parser.y, which has thousands of lines, is the part of the source code for GNU-COBOL itself. So this is ultimately going to be interpreted in C. Here's a little bit of that. But in parser.y, you actually see the full token list. And this can act as a master list of keywords if you want to go through them. Starting all the way up here, this one's kind of interesting. Uh, it looks like it actually has two forms, 3D and three-dimensional, because normally it's listed alphabetically, but this got to the top. And then we have absent, accept, access, ActiveX, active class, and that's just the A section. Binary or Boolean operators, excuse me. Looks like we have a bell. Does that make a sound in COBOL? We ought to try that one. There's Boolean. Uh, Century date. I wonder if that's deprecated or if it might be something new that is now never used. COBOL itself is a token in COBOL. I'm not sure what that's about. Not used here. Klein and Kleins. I wonder what that's about. Okay. Delimited, we know that. Disk with C and K, interesting. Display, that's one of the basic ones, yeah. Okay, this is a text format, I think. All the ends that I like to go over, they're right here. It's interesting that here they are made with an underscore instead of a hyphen, because a hyphen is what I've been using. All right. What else is really interesting here? Hot track. What is hot track? Here we have. I'm pretty sure this is for trees, but it might be about customers. I don't know. Identification. That's the first one. Multiple, multiply. Interesting. Not AB. What is that? There's a lot of arcana left in this place. Uh, it's like sub window. That's for when we actually do OO in COBOL. And then all the way to, looks like date format strings and 0, uh, which should also have the plural forms. But yeah, this program is huge. I needed to open it up in Visual Studio Code to be able to uh, handle it, I guess. And if you recall, I was talking about kanji in another video, but that was like a proprietary kind. This is GNU-Cobol, so maybe it'll be like clients and it'll be listed but not actually implemented. Okay, if it was here, it'd be in the K section, and there's only three Ks. Okay. All right. Well, that was a look at parser.y and the GNU-Cobol source code. I got this from GitHub, just searching for GNU-Cobol. There are clones of it from repositories that aren't directly related to GNU for various reasons. They may not want to use GitHub, I guess. But that's how you can find a master list of GNU-COBOL's keywords. Please like and subscribe. Discuss any COBOL related career advice in the comments. And if you like the content, please make donations on Buy Me a Coffee.